Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by working where you can move freely. Remove furniture and ensure ventilation, because fumes and dust will be present. Put on gloves, a mask, and goggles, then score the carpet along a seam and outer edge with a sharp utility knife. Once scored, grab a corner with pliers, pull firmly to separate backing, and slice the lifted section into strips. This reduces resistance and lets you continue without retaping or wrestling large sheets. Now focus on the stubborn backing and glue. Work in small sections so the tools and chemicals stay effective. First scrape with a 6/12-inch floor scraper at about 45 degrees to remove loose backing. This reduces the adhesive load. Next, apply an approved adhesive remover or use a heat gun on low to soften glue. Let it sit briefly, then scrub with a stiff nylon brush. Once tack is gone, wipe with rags and a mild solvent, and allow the floor to dry. Finish by leveling the floor and removing residues so new flooring will bond properly. Sand or use a floor grinder to take off thin adhesive layers, then vacuum thoroughly to collect dust. Follow with a damp mop and appropriate cleaner, and let the surface fully dry. If there are gouges, fill them with a compatible patch compound and sand smooth. Once cured, prime high absorption spots before installing new material. If the adhesive won't budge, stop and test an alternate remover on a small area to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.